Welcome back, creators. Today we are breaking down the showdown between Framer and Webflow to help you decide which powerhouse tool is the right fit for your specific workflow. Let's dive right in. If you are a designer who practically lives in Figma, Framer is going to feel like total magic because the interface is nearly identical to your favorite design tools. It completely removes the traditional barriers of the web box model, allowing you to use freeform stacks and layout tools to build high-fidelity, award-winning marketing sites and portfolios with incredible speed. Framer is the undisputed king of wow factor animations, offering a built-in effects panel that lets you create complex, scroll-triggered interactions in just a few clicks without ever touching a line of code. Webflow, on the other hand, is built for the creator who wants to master visual coding and build a scalable business asset from the ground up. It forces you to follow the professional rules of HTML and CSS, which means the learning curve is a bit steeper, but the payoff is a website with a rock-solid foundation and lightning-fast performance. Webflow is the superior choice for complex, data-heavy projects thanks to its incredibly robust CMS and native e-commerce engine, giving you total control over large-scale blogs and member-driven platforms that need to grow over time. Ultimately, the choice comes down to your end goal for the project. You should choose Framer if your priority is pure creative expression and launching stunning landing pages as fast as humanly possible. You should choose Webflow if you are building a complex web application or a massive content library that requires deep structure and the ability to export your professional-grade code whenever you need it. Both tools are absolute industry leaders, and the best one is simply the one that helps you cross the finish line with the most confidence. If this platform breakdown helped you finally make a choice, hit that like button and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point design comparisons. Drop a comment below letting me know which tool you are picking for your next build, and I will see you in the next video.